This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and hardware compatibility. Check the Geo plan includes 5G and ensure your SIM was provisioned. Call support if unclear. Once done, verify your handset supports required bands like N78 and that carrier settings are up to date. Make sure mobile data is on, then set network mode to 5G or 5G/4G in settings. Finally, restart the phone to apply changes so the network can register your device immediately. You now focus on connection and optimization. If automatic registration stalls, manually select the Geo 5G network from available operators. This forces a fresh attach. Enable VO NR or at minimum VO LTE so voice stays seamless while using 5G. Adjust APN to GeoNet and confirm MMS/data settings match carrier defaults. Once done, test speeds in different spots. Outdoor or near a window often improves signal. Make sure background apps aren't saturating bandwidth during tests to get accurate results. You finish by verifying performance and knowing how to fix issues. Run a speed and latency test so you can compare results to typical 5G ranges, record any anomalies. If 5G is still missing, power off, reinsert SIM, and check for pending carrier updates. Try the SIM in a known 5G phone to isolate hardware problems. If problems persist, contact Geo support and provide device IMEI, SIM ICSID, account details, and screenshots of network state so they can escalate and resolve provisioning or tower issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.